Hello. So I just got to campus for class, and I want to put a little bit of makeup on. I didn't do it on my way out today, and I just have a little bit more confidence in what I do when I put on some makeup. So get ready with me in my car, because I feel like I need it today. So I just started off with the Maybelline Dream Radiant foundation, and now I'm taking just a darker concealer as like contour, I guess. I'm not trying to go ham, but I didn't have any on yesterday, and I don't know, I just feel like I didn't do my best work yesterday. I didn't feel as good walking down the street, you know, I just didn't feel as good. So what I'm doing is, with all these like creamy products, I forgot to bring powder, so that's great. Not to mention the lighting in here is just unfortunate. Yeah, so I go to the University of Tennessee. I'm a wildlife and fisheries major. Fun fact. Like watching, I just feel like that just does not look correct. Watching YouTube, I love watching these get ready with me's for like college and class. But nobody shares my major, and I've tried looking it up. I mean, everybody on this platform is just like a marketing business major or nursing. I don't know anybody who's like in the sciences. Okay, I'm gonna assume that's good enough. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with some blush. I'm just using the NYX Sweet Cheek. This one is in Coralicious. It's a corally color. I think that coral colored blushes are my favorite. I just think they look the best on pale skin tones, and I'm very pale. I am. I use a different brush to blend that in. Yeah. I don't know. It's really, I don't think this is like my daily makeup routine for when I wear makeup, and I don't think it really falls under any of the trending makeup styles right now. I know Cloud Skin just kind of started, and this is similar, except I don't have my setting powder today, but okay, that's fine, I guess. I could go in with some concealer, but I don't really want to do that because I don't have my powder to set that. So I'm just gonna do my eyebrows. This is just an e.l.f. brow and taupe. Now I think I'm just gonna finish off with some lashes, and that will be it for today. I forgot my highlighter, so this is fine though. And I also forgot my lipstick, but this is fine. I love this. This is the Lash Paradise mascara. And it's my favorite drugstore. Wow. Just, oh, okay, I got it under my eye. And above my eye. That's great. So today I have mostly online classes. Like majority of my classes are online, but I do have one in-person class every day of the week, and today that in-person class is ecology. And that starts at almost noon. It's probably like about 11 right now, 11:30 if I had to guess. Noon. I'm at 1 p.m. That's when that class starts, 1 p.m. And I commute, so I live about 30 minutes away. So I don't really know if I'm going to stay or not. I feel like that's like the commuter struggle, is like if you only have this one class, are you going to like stay and like make the most of spending your gas to get here, or are you gonna go? And I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. I did pack a lunch. I'm thinking I'm gonna stay. I just find that I do more my online stuff when I'm here like at the library, but I don't know, I might also just want to go home, so we'll see. Take some chapstick. Yeah, I think that's it. That really wasn't too long. It looks okay, so it's fine. I'm gonna go to class. Yeah. Bye.